Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to get started with AI automation in less than 15 minutes. By following the steps that I show in this video, you will be able to install n8n, which is a no-code AI automation tool. So let's dive in and see how we are going to do this. In step 1, we will install node.js. Then once it's installed, we will open command prompt and give a command npm install n8n -g. This command will install n8n in your system. Once it's installed, it will give us an option to open n8n, which will open n8n in your browser, and you will be ready to build such AI agents in no time. So let's go and install node.js. To install node.js, I'll open Google. I'll type download node.js. I'll use the first link. I'll click on it. Below, it is giving us an option to choose the operating system that we are using. I'm using a Windows. If you're using Mac, Linux, anything, you can choose whatever you are using. I'll choose Windows, and then I'll click on this Windows installer. As soon as I click on it, a download will start. I've already downloaded it. So once it's downloaded, I'll open the file and follow along. I'll accept the terms, click next, next, next. No need to select this checkbox because to run n8n, we do not need any extra tools. So we'll skip this checkbox and click on next and click on install. Now Node.js is getting installed. Once it's installed, we will open command prompt. So Node.js is installed successfully. I'll click on finish. Now I'll open command prompt. And here I will type npm install n8n -g. So this -g tells the system to install n8n globally. I'll click on enter. This step will take a little bit of time. Once n8n is installed on your system, you will be able to use n8n to build really powerful AI automation workflows and small AI applications as well. As you can see, it is giving multiple warnings, but you don't have to worry about any of this. n8n has been installed now. As you can see here, it's giving the message added 1948 packages in 12 minutes. So your n8n is installed, and now we will give another command, that is n8n start. Click enter. I'll press the button O on my keyboard. Once n8n opens up, it will ask you to set up your account. You will have to enter your email ID, first name, and last name. So make sure that you follow the password guidelines. Then click on next. Now it's asking you whether you want to customize this. And these are some questions. Just quickly fill them. What best describes your company? So you can choose any one of it. It really doesn't matter, but I'm not using n8n for work because this is for my own learning. I'm not using it for any professional organization. How did you hear about n8n? You can choose your source, whatever it may be. Then click on Get Started. Now it's telling us whether if you want to get the paid features for free forever. So here you can click on this, send me a free license key. So clicking on this, we will receive a license key in our inbox. Check your mail and copy that. Then go to the left bottom corner, click on the three dots, then click on settings. Here, click on enter activation key. I'll go to my Gmail, copy the license key that I have received, and get back to n8n, paste the activation key and click on activate. So now it shows you're on the community edition registered. Now it's activated. We'll go back. This is right now not accessible from the internet, but in a later video, I will show you how to do that without spending tens of dollars every month for a hosting. We will do it without using any cloud hosting. Yes. So now that it's installed, we are ready to start creating our first workflow. We'll click on Start from Scratch. This will open the canvas. As we click on this Add First Step, the list for triggers and nodes will open. And now we are ready to create our first automation workflow. Subscribe to the channel if you want to get more videos on how to use n8n to build amazing automated workflows that will save your time, make you more efficient, productive, and also you will be able to create simple products that will solve real business problems. Keep watching, keep learning, keep implementing, keep building AI workflows.